Finally, Google have announced that they're going to provide Google VO3 for free. Yes, you heard it right. Now you can create text to videos utilizing Google VO3 for free. And let me show you how. For that, I'm gonna simply type here Google Flow and let's hit enter. And now I am in Google Flow and let's click here on Create with Flow. Okay. And what I am going to do here is I'm going to sign in with non-subscription account and let's click here on Get Started. Now the next thing here I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click on New Project. And here if I go here on my account, so here you can see now 100 credits you're gonna get for free, which in case of pro members, they generally get 1000 credits, okay? And then if I click here on Manage Membership, I just wanted to show you that I do not have any paid membership, okay? So here you can see it says upgrade and my current plan is free plan, which means that I don't have any membership. But despite that, I am getting here 100 AI credits. Now, the best way to utilize these 100 credits is, to have only one video at a time, because each generation going to cost you 10 credits if you're going to utilize VO2. And in case of VO3, you're going to consume 20 credits. So in this way, guys, you can have 5 generations. So let me here say something, and quickly I wrote this prompt, and here is a prompt that I asked ChatGPT to generate, and it will be a surprise for me as well. So let me click here on generate, and as I hit here on generate, if I click here, now you can see now I have 80 credits left. Now let's wait for this video to get generated. And there we go. So we have created this video. Now let's play this.
Victory on the first try.
Okay, so this was the output, and here you can see the visuals look really awesome. And the plus point, of course, with Google VO3 is it also comes with audio. Now, one more good thing I like about Google VO3 is whenever we try to download any clip, we now have option to either download it in original size or can reduce the size, or even you can upscale it. So if you are planning to use it in your video, then probably you would like to upscale it. And when we click here on upscale, so here you can see it says that upscale your video, and then it's going to cost you 0 credit. So that's even better, you are not losing any credit to upscale this video. And after some time, you will see that your video is upscaled to full HD. And finally, after some time, you can see it have completed upscaling, and now we can download this. And now let me again play it once more after upscaling this content. And now here you can see the clarity of it. And here we can clearly see the video looks much sharper than before. So that's how, guys, now you can create AI videos for free utilizing Google VO3 model. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Technoholic to see more such productivity related content, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.